Everyone, today I am giving a short presentation on preposition. So prepositions are small words that shows the relation between two things, and there are small words but big impact. So let's begin with our presentation. So first preposition is in. In indicates the time and place. So for example, I live in Amravati. That indicates the place. And about the time. So my birthday is in June. That indicates the time. So that's it. So second one is on. So on also indicates the time, and also they indicates the contact between the surface. As we see in the picture, some objects are contact with the table. So we can say that the book is on the table, the lamp is on the table, the cup is on the table, like this. And as a time, we can say that so my birthday is on my birthday is on at also indicates the time, and at also indicates the time and point. Suppose we indicating an certain point, like the boy is standing at the he is sitting on the chair, sitting at the chair, and look at the board, like this. So for time, I am wake up at 8 o'clock, like this. So next one is by. By is used for telling that and म्हणजे आपण एखाद्या समजा ट्रॅव्हल करत आहोत, तर तिथे आपण एखाद्या व्हेकल किंवा त्याला इंडिकेट करण्यासाठी बाय यूज करतो. जसं की आय ट्रॅव्हल बाय कार, आय ट्रॅव्हल बाय बस, लाईक दिस. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज विथ. So with is used for indicating the relation between two bodies or two person. Like I am standing with my friend. I am I am always with you. Like these words we can made with the preposition. So these are some main preposition we can use in our daily life. And thank you for listening the presentation.